This 2012 Forest River Berkshire 360 FWS diesel full-wall triple slide is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 37 feet 3 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, refrigerator, TV, skylight, self-contained, air conditioning, slide-out, and 86 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features full wall slide, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2012 Forest River Berkshire 360 FWS diesel full-wall triple slide is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.